Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. On the last video, I mentioned or we covered the topic of using icy hot versus using ice. Right. So then I got a question from one of our patients, and I want to create this video to answer that question. I think more than one person probably has this in their mind. So the question there is, can I use icy hot together with heat or ice? So they want to do it at the same time, kind of like a combination treatment, because they're thinking they can get the best of both worlds. All right. So, but are you in pain? So for me, what I'm thinking there is, like, are you in pain? Are you one of those people that do you suffer from pain every day? Do you rely on medication? Do you rely on using these creams to help you get through the day? Because having chronic pain, it makes you miserable. It makes people irritable. It makes people snap on family, friends, not enjoy going to work. So it affects their job performance, it affects their finances. So basically overall it affects a lot of things, different things, from family to work to friends, and that's not good. That's not healthy for you, because these are people that you want to have good relationships with. All right. It's hurting you as a person. So this is something that I would want to be able to address, so that it will guide you in the right direction. What causes it is the belief that you're thinking, okay, you're gonna have pain and you need to take pills, or you need to take something or do something like using icy hot or something else, or Bengay or whatever, that you need to do that to get rid of the pain. So what I can do is I can actually just briefly describe to you what I think about using icy hot together with heat or ice at the same time. All right. My answer there is, I don't think it's a good idea that you're gonna use icy hot together with ice or heat. And the FDA have actually shown this, that using cream like that together with heat or ice can actually cause third-degree burns. All right. So for me, I look at the same way. When you use the cream like icy hot or Bengay or whatever, it makes the skin more sensitive. And when you use ice or when you use heat, it will increase the effect there, right? So it's going to increase the effect that the skin will be more sensitive to it. And when you use heat, you can actually have the burns there. And even when you use ice, yes, because ice, you can have kind of like some frost bites there. It can damage your skin too. So I would not recommend using icy hot or Bengay or any of those creams, or Tiger Balm, any of those together with heat or ice. It's not combining them. More is better. You're getting the best of both worlds. It's not that. I would have you just use one or the other. Like I mentioned last time, there is a place for using creams, and there is a place for using hot or cold. All right. So I just want to warn you, just want you to be careful, because I have had patients who got burns using using this incorrectly. So I just want to make sure we want to keep everybody safe. And if you feel like you have friends or family that may be doing this, I would want you to share this video with them. So you want to keep them safe. Yes, you want to get that pain down, but you want to keep them safe from harm also. All right. So feel free to leave your comment below. Let me know what you think, and if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can follow us in our social media. We have Facebook and we have Instagram. If not, then I'll see you on the next video of how to end chronic pain. Bye.